Introducing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle, Ninja's most powerful grill that takes your cooking to a whole new level. With its independently powered 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill grate, experience direct, edge-to-edge high heat for perfect char-grilled results. Say goodbye to ordinary grills, as this versatile appliance unlocks the art of BBQ griddling and so much more. Get ready to grill, griddle, air fry, and elevate your culinary game in one family-sized appliance. Here are the key features of Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill, Griddle Combo. Ninja's most powerful grill, a cut above the rest, powered by an independent 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill grate. This Ninja Smart Grill delivers direct, edge-to-edge high heat searing that guarantees better char-grilled results. The innovative design surpasses traditional grills, setting a new standard in grilling perfection. The 12 inches BBQ Griddle, where magic happens. Unleash your culinary creativity with the flat-top BBQ griddle, capable of cooking foods that standard grills simply can't handle. Interlocking with the grill grate, the BBQ griddle harnesses its direct high heat to provide precise temperature controls for fast, even cooking, free from any hot or cold spots. Hood up or hood down, you're cooking your way. Customize your cooking experience with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle. Keep the hood down to add cyclonic air for fast, even high-heat cooking, surround searing, crisping, and melting. Alternatively, raise the hood for intense high-heat searing and flavors with direct bottom heat only. It's all about achieving the perfect cooking style for your culinary creations. Smart Cook System Plus Thermometer. Precision in every dish. Cooking perfection is at your fingertips with the Foodi Smart Thermometer. Equipped with 4 smart protein settings and 9 customizable doneness levels, achieving the perfect doneness from rare to well done has never been easier. Say goodbye to guesswork and the frustration of over or undercooking. The Smart Cook system ensures consistent results time after time. Up to 75% less fat. The art of air frying. Unlock the secrets of healthy cooking with up to 75% less fat when air frying. The included 4-quart crisper basket lets you indulge in crispy delights without the guilt, as it's tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Versatility at its finest, 7 cooking functions. With 7 cooking functions at your disposal, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle allows you to grill, BBQ griddle, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. Embrace culinary freedom and explore a world of delectable flavors. XL family size capacity. Grill and griddle with ease. Cooking for a crowd has never been easier. The generous grill grate fits up to 6 steaks, mains, sides, and more all at the same time. The flat-top BBQ griddle is perfect for preparing a whole platter of nachos, 4 sandwiches, or 6 pancakes with ease. Smoke Control System. A cleaner grilling experience. Say goodbye to smoky kitchens with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle Smoke Control System. With chef-recommended grilling practices, a temperature-controlled grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone keep the smoke where it belongs, out of the kitchen. Easy to clean, hassle-free maintenance. Cleaning up after a delightful meal is a breeze with the PTFE, FOA-free, non-stick ceramic-coated powered grill grate, crisper basket, and BBQ griddle plate. Dishwasher safe, you can enjoy hassle-free maintenance after every cooking session. Complete package. Unleash your culinary creativity with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle. The possibilities are endless. Included in the package are the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Griddle and Grill, 9 inches by 12 inches grill grate, 12 inches flat top BBQ griddle, 4-quart crisper basket, Foodi Smart Thermometer, and Quick Start Guide. Embrace culinary excellence and elevate your grilling and griddling experience to new heights with Ninja's most powerful grill yet. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle is a culinary masterpiece, redefining grilling and griddling with its innovative features and unmatched power. Unlock the art of BBQ griddling and enjoy the versatility of air frying and so much more, all in one family-sized appliance. Experience perfect char-grilled results, healthier air-fried favorites, and a world of culinary possibilities with the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle, your ultimate kitchen companion.